Hey everybody, Chris Collier, Conquer with Chris, the podcast you don't want to miss, and the social media icon. Listen, I'm doing something a little bit different today, so let's get right into it. Are you a digital entrepreneur that's looking to take your business to the next level? Do you feel like you're stuck in a rut and can't seem to make the progress you desire? If so, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs face the same challenges. But there's a solution that can help. It's called Digital Mentors. Digital Mentors is a comprehensive mentorship program designed to help digital entrepreneurs to grow their business. Founded in 2008, formerly known as MLSP, it's evolved over the years from a network marketing training platform to a leading authority in the digital marketing industry. With a focus on lead generation, personal branding, and sales conversion, Digital Mentors provides in-depth training on a wide range of topics, including social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and SEO. So how does Digital Mentors work? The program is divided in several different steps and modules, each which covers a specific topic. Entrepreneurs can work their way through the modules and steps at their own pace, depending on their level of expertise and knowledge. The program is really specifically designed in which way you want to go. Then once you take one step at a time, become expert at it. From there you move on to personal branding and learning how to build an audience, engage the audience, and sell the audience. But it's not just about training. We also have a supportive community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are willing to work together towards a common goal. You'll have the opportunity to network with other entrepreneurs that are just in the same boat as you, or some that are a little bit further ahead. You can ask questions, get feedback on your ideas. And if you need additional support, Digital Marketers provides coaching and training from experienced veterans who've been in your shoes. So what are the benefits of Digital Mentors? First and foremost, it provides you with all the tools and training you could ever need, and world-class support that you need to succeed in the digital world. But it also offers a wide variation of resources to help you build and grow your own business, including customizable funnels, landing pages, ebooks, with a 15-year track record of success, with the environment of a brand new system, right? Because they relaunched themselves. Digital Mentors might be the program for you, but definitely is someone you can trust. In conclusion, if you're a digital entrepreneur looking to take your business to the next level, Digital Mentors is a mentorship program for you. With its comprehensive training, supportive community, and valuable resources, it can help you achieve your dreams and goals to be successful in the digital marketplace. So listen, you can give it a try. We have some trials available. If you click the link in the description, we'll get you set up right away. My name is Chris Collier, Conquer with Chris, the podcast you don't want to miss, and the social media icon. Check it out.